Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 12.5 on VMware Workstation. Then we will see how to install the VMware tools as well. Okay. First go to debian.org. That is the official. See, we have the Debian is a completely free operating system. Click on other downloads. See here we have the two types of downloads. One is CD and DVD. Click on this DVD, then select the architecture, click on it, scroll down. See here we have the DVD ISO file. Its size is 3.7 gigabytes. Click on Debian 12.5.0. Okay, click on it. Go to downloads. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 3.7 gigabytes. Wait until this download completes. I have already downloaded Debian 12.5. Okay, I am cancelling this one. Now open VMware Workstation. See, I have the VMware Workstation, but this is Pro. This is not free. If you don't have the Pro version, then download the VMware Workstation player. See, click on it. See, here also the process is same on Pro and Workstation player. Here you have to click on create a new virtual machine. Then you have to follow the same process. Okay. I will keep the link in the video description to install the VMware Workstation player. On VMware Workstation Pro, click on the create a new virtual machine. Both are same. Okay. See, select the type and click on next. Select install disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. Select the downloaded Debian DVD file, click on open, click on next, select the Linux, then select the version. It is Debian. Let me see whether we have the Debian 12 or not. See, here we don't have 12, but give the latest one. Then click on next. Here provide the name for the Debian machine. Debian 12.5 VM. Select the location to store the virtual machine. Go to system where you have the env space. Then create a folder for this one. Debian 12.5 VM. Click on OK. Click on it and click on OK. See, it has selected the Debian 12.5 VM. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the virtual disk. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. Click on customize. If you want to change any one of them, you have to click on customize hardware. I want to increase the memory to 4 gigabytes. Use this pointer to up or down to change the values, or you can change this number also. So click on close. Even if you want to modify anything, you can do that. Okay. If you want to increase the number of processors, you can select here. I'm okay with one. Click on close. Click on finish. Okay, now see, still if you want to edit any one of these virtual machine settings, select from this computer, then click on edit machine settings, then we can edit, or right click, then select the settings. Here it is there, or select it, select VM, then settings. All three are same. Now to start the installation of virtual machine, you have to click on power on this virtual machine, or select it and click on power on, or right click and select power, then start, then power on. All three are same. Okay, so click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the type of installation. So I am going with graphical install. Then select the first one by using up and down arrows from your keyboard and hit enter. Select language English and click on continue. Location I am going with United States. English, click on American English, continue. Here we have to provide the name for the host. Okay, I am okay with Debian, or simply give Debian 12.5. Then click on, later also you can change the host name. Click on continue. you have domain, you have to provide the domain name, otherwise click on continue. Now provide the password for the root user. Okay, you have to remember this one, then click on continue. Now we are going to set up a user. I am giving user full name as Arthur Schools, and this is the username. User full name and username may not be the same. Okay, click on continue, then provide the password for this user, then click on continue. Select the clock. I'm okay with Eastern. Click on continue. Partition disks guided and use the entire disk, or if you want to create the disk, you can do the manual. Okay, click on continue. Okay, select finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Click on continue. Click on yes, then continue. If you want to scan the installation media, click on yes, otherwise no. Click on continue. No. Here select the type of desktop. Okay, I'm going with this one. Click on, you can select any one of them. At this present, I'm not going to select like web server or SSH server. If you want, you can select them also. Then click on continue. See, install grub bootloader, select yes and click on continue. Select the drive or device, click on continue. See, installation has been completed successfully, but it is saying make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, go to VMware, right click, then settings, then CD DVD, uncheck this one, click on OK, click on continue. Click on username, then provide the password, enter, click on next. See, if you double click and maximize it, we can't get the full screen. Why? I will show you the reason and solution. Click on next, click on next, skip, start using Debian Linux. See, we have successfully installed. Click on activities, then search for terminal. Click on terminal. Now verify the version. More etc os-release. See, we have installed Debian and its version is 12. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. But see, if you are unable to get full screen, why? Because we have to install the VMware tools. Right click on it, click on install VMware tools. If you click on VMware tools, it won't work. If you go to CD downloads, see, nothing is there. Even if you go to CD mnt ls, see, nothing is there. So to install VMware tools on Debian virtual machine, go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Okay. For more Debian or VMware tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.